Get ready because you're about to watch some folk play a games for the kind of life-changing money that most of us just dream about. This is Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Hello everybody, I'm JP Velucio and welcome to the show. Are you guys ready to play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Alright, today's contestants are 20-year-old college student from Southern Luzon State University. Please welcome Janina Saranja and Neil Chama. Hello guys! How are you?
We're fine, we're just a little bit nervous.
What would you do when both of you win 1 million pesos?
First, we're gonna help our family and
And the rest, we're gonna donate it in our school and of course for ourselves.
Before anything else, here's the mechanics.
And here's the mechanics of the game. For every question you answer correctly moves you one step closer to that top prize. Remember, you can always walk away with the money you've earned. Up to that point. Incorrect answer, you walk away with nothing. 10 questions, the money value is growing from 2,000 pesos all the way up to 1 million. You will also have the Ask the Audience lifeline. You can ask the friend of yours who you've brought along with you, and another lifeline, which is the Call a Friend lifeline. In this lifeline, they can help you answer the question that is given.
Alright, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
we
we
are.
are. Let's play Who Wants to Be a Mathematician? Here's your first question. For 2,000 pesos, what is the branch of mathematics that studies change? A. Algebra. B. Geometry. C. Trigonometry. D. Calculus.
I think calculus.
You think that's right?
Yes. Our answer is letter D, calculus.
Are you sure?
yes.
Yes. Letter D, final
Final
answer.
And that is correct. Question number 2. For 5,000 pesos, states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it and inversely proportional to its mass. This means that the more force you apply to an object, the faster it will accelerate. And the more mass an object has, the slower it will accelerate. A. Newton's second law of motion. B. Newton's law. C. Newton's first law of motion. And D. Inertia.
I think it's the second law of motion.
Are you sure?
It's not the first. Yeah, sure. I'm sure of it. It's letter A, Newton's second law of motion.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Letter A, final answer.
And that is correct. Okay, let's move on to the question number 3. For 10,000 pesos, what are the two opposing perspectives on nature? A. Law and society. B. People and government. C. Fixed laws and flexible flux. D. Gravity and force.
I think letter C.
Yes.
It's letter C.
Yeah.
Letter C, fixed laws and flexible
flux.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Letter C, final answer.
And that is correct. Next question. For 20,000 pesos, what is the role of mathematics is understanding nature? A. To explore. B. To imagine. C. To describe and predict change. And B. To memorize.
I've read that in the book of Nature's Number. Yeah, for sure. Letter C, to describe and predict change.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. Letter C, final answer.
And that is correct. Question number 5. For 50,000 pesos, it describes the way that these patterns manifest themselves in the real world. A. Fixed law. B. Flexible flux. C. Constant change. And D. Pattern.
I think letter B, flexible flux.
Yeah, I also guess it's letter B.
Our answer is letter B, flexible flux.
Are you sure?
Yes, letter B, final answer.
Congratulations! You already have 50,000 pesos. Question number 6. For 100,000 pesos, what is the value of the speed of light? A. 100,000 kilometers per minute. B. It is approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. C. 90 meter per second. D. 2,000 kilometers.
Any answers?
I'm not sure. Should we call a friend? We would like to use the lifeline.
Are you sure?
Yes, we would like to use the ask the audience.
Okay, so from the audience, you brought your friends with you. They can help you answer the question by eliminating 2 wrong answers in the choices that is given. Kindly introduce your friends.
We are with our classmates, Rosette and Miguel.
We will remove the letter C and
I think it's letter D. We need to remove that.
we would like to remove the letter C, 90 meters per second.
And D, 2,000 kilometers.
So the available choices is A and B.
Do you think it's A or B?
I think letter A. I think letter A. I think
No.
letter B.
I think it's letter B. Yeah. We're gonna answer letter B. Approximately 3,000
Kilometers.
300,000 kilometers per second.
Are you sure that is your final answer?
Yes.
We're sure.
Our answer is letter B,
Final answer.
answer.
And that's correct! In question number 7, for 250,000 pesos, what is the main purpose of book of Ian Stewart, which is the constant change? A. To entertain the readers. B. To know the element of nature. C. To explore the relationship between change and order in nature. D. To know the pattern of something.
It's letter C. From
Yeah.
the change.
C.
Yeah, it's letter C.
To explore the relationship between change and order in nature.
Are you sure?
Yes, letter C, final answer.
And that is correct. In question number 8, for 500,000 pesos, in the Fibonacci sequence, what is the 20th to 22nd sequence? Letter A, 6,765, 10,946, 17,711. Letter B, 610, 987, 1,597. Letter C, 17,711, 28,657, 46,368, and letter D, 144, 233, 377.
We want to use a lifeline. Call a friend.
Who would you like to call?
We would like to call our cousins.
Who's currently together and watching right now?
Okay.
Hello,
Hello, how are you?
very good. I am Alexa Rodriguez, the cousin of Neil Chama. I'm Rachel Ann, cousin of Janina.
We're currently calling you live from the studio. Who wants to be a mathematician? There are 8 questions which has value of 500,000 pesos. They use the call a friend lifeline, and that's why we're calling you. In this lifeline, you can help them answer the question that is given. I'm going to pass over the phone to our cousin. The timer will start after the question have been stated. You have 30 seconds to answer. Are you ready?
Yes, we are ready. Our answer is 6765-10946-17711.
We decided to follow our cousin's answer.
It's letter A.
Are you sure that is your final answer?
Yes, letter A, final answer.
Yes, you are correct. In question number 9, for 750,000 pesos, what is constant change?
Constant change is the two basic operations, which is integration and differentiation.
It means that given one element, mass, force, or acceleration, you can work out the other two.
Yes, you are correct. In last question, for 1 million pesos, can you explain the concept of Chapter 4 of Ian Stewart's Nature number entitled Constant of Change?
Chapter 4 of Nature's Number explores the relationship between change and order in nature. Stewart argues that these two concepts are not mutually exclusive, but rather two sides of the same coin. Fixed laws describe the underlying patterns of change in nature, while flexible flux describes the way of these patterns manifest themselves in the real world. Mathematics is a powerful tool for understanding the pattern of change that we see in the real world, but it also has its limitation. Mathematical models are often simplification of the real world, and they maybe not be able to capture all of the complex factors that contribute to change. Additionally, chaotic systems are inherently unpredictable, even with the most sophisticated mathematical models.
Chaos teaches us the universe is a complex and unpredictable place. It also teaches us that we cannot perfectly control our own lives or the world around us. However, chaos is not necessarily a bad thing. It is responsible for many of the beautiful and complex patterns that we see in nature. It is also a source of creativity and innovation. In summary, Chapter 4 of Nature's Numbers is a fascinating exploration of the relationship between change and order in nature. Stewart's argues that these two concepts essentially to our understanding of the universe and our place in it.
Congratulations! You won 1 million pesos!